Hey class 6, welcome. From today we are going to start exercise 2.2. Before starting this exercise we have to know the rule of simplification. Okay, first of all you have to know the steps. If there is bar given in the question, just like that, look at your question at first. 4 plus 5 minus 7 divided by 6 bar. If this bar is given, you have to do the addition 4 plus 5 at first, and then after bar brackets there are three types of brackets: small brackets, mid bracket, and big bracket. In order to simplifying all the questions within it or B, that means B, you have to follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. What do you understand by BODMAS? B means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. You have to do it last. S means subtraction. Okay. Now number one question. Exercise 2.2 number 1. A 7 plus 6 minus 3. To solve this question, at first you have to write solution. And here, what is the question? 7 plus 6 minus 3. You have to do 8 first. 7 plus 6 is 13 minus 3 equals to 10 is the answer. By following same method, you can do number B, number C, and number D as well. 2 is also simple, 3 is also simple here, and number 4 is also simple. You have to follow BODMAS rule, BODMAS rule. Now number 5, 5A, I'll do that, and remaining you should do yourself. 5A, question is 5 number A, 15 plus inside bracket 5 minus 3. Look at here. Solution, write it first. Here, this question 15 plus 5 minus 3. You have to do bracket at first. 15 plus 5 minus 3 is 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. This is the right answer. Now question number 6A I'll do, and remaining you should do yourself. 6A. Look at their question. 6A, 10 minus curly bracket 12 minus 30 divided by 2 small bracket close, curly bracket close. This is the question of 6A. Solution. Here, what is our question? 10 minus curly bracket 12 minus 30 divided by 2 bracket close is equals to 10 minus 12 minus. At first you have to do division, which is inside the small bracket. 30 divided by 2, that will be 15. Yes, 15 to the 30. Now curly bracket 10 minus 12 minus 15 will be minus 3, isn't it? Okay, now you have to remember the multiplication of sign rule. Multiplication of sign rules. You have to write that. If you multiply minus and minus both, it will become plus after multiplication. If you multiply plus and plus, it will become plus after multiplication. If you multiply minus and plus, it will become minus, and if you multiply plus and minus, it will become minus. This is the multiplication rule of signs. Now here is minus and minus. Minus and minus will be plus is equals to 10 plus 3. Our answer is 13. By following same method, you can do remaining exercise. This is 6a. Now 7a. Question of 7a is this. Now solution. Here, what is our question? 14 divide big bracket 3 plus 16 divide curly bracket 2 plus 8 divide 6 minus 2 is equals to 8. First you have to do the task of small bracket. 14 divided by 3 plus 16 divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 6 minus 2 will be 4, isn't it? Equals to 14 divided by 3 plus 16 divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 4 will be 2. Big bracket close. Now is equals to 14 divided by 3 plus 16 divided by 2 plus 2 will be 4, isn't it? Is equals to 14 divided 3 plus 16 divided by 4. 4 was a 16. Now 14 divided by 3 plus 4 will be 7. Answer is 7 to the 14. Answer is 2. Okay, this is your answer. By following same method, you can do remaining number exercise of 7. Now number 8. Number 8. 5 is multiplied to the difference between 10 and 6. 5 is multiplied to the difference between 10 and 6. I'll make equation here, you have to do yourself. 5 is multiplied to the difference between 5 is multiplied. 5 is what? Multiplied to the difference between 10 and 6. Okay, do yourself. Second one, 16 is added to the product of 17 and 4. 16 is added to the product of 17 and 4. Next one, 10 is subtracted from 15 times 5. 10 is subtracted from 15 times 5. This is 12 is added to 6 times. 12 is added to 6 times the difference between 7 and 6. Next one, 10 is divided by 5 and multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 3. Divide the sum of 12 and 6. Divide the sum of 12 and 6 by the product of 6 and 3. Product means multiplication and sum means addition. 8 9 multiplied by 3. 8 9 multiplied by 3 to the sum of 6 and 2. Okay, now you can solve yourself.